I have a very basics and desi cycle. The clouds are now touching to the hills, Rajgir hills. Oh, transformer blast. And this is one of the beautiful place in our university. A very good morning, guys. So today I am going for out to repair my cycle. So actually there are some problems in my cycle that I think the tube has punctured or the air has reduced. So let's see what happens. See the scenic view of our university. The clouds are now touching to the hills, Rajgir hills. And I am with my cycle. You can see this. So today I am going alone because my two friends are gone to Baidyanath temple in Devgarh for the first Monday of the Shravan month. So that's why they are not here. So I am alone in hostel and I am alone moving towards the police academy to get my cycle repaired. So actually the air is little bit low and also some little bit sound is coming from my cycle, so I will fix those. So let's see what happens. And you can see the view of the university. This is the morning view of the university. That's one is the gym. Now you can easily see that the clouds are completely touching to the Rajgir hills. So is the faculty office and the teaching blocks. Oh, the sun is coming out. Actually in normal days we have to go to office in morning 6 a.m. So today I think office will be open little bit late at 10 a.m. So I decided to repair my cycle because it was pending almost a month, and without cycle I can't move anywhere. This one is the 2000 seater auditorium. And this is one of the beautiful place in our university. So you can see complete coverage of trees here. Now you can see that the view. This 2000 seater auditorium is under construction, so I hope that it will be over till 2026 Jan, I guess January. So let's see what happens, but it's building nice. So for the construction purpose, this road is little bit dirty. otherwise it will be completely clean every time. So I have stopped here to see the view of this university. So here is a hidden pond is there. We will show you in next vlog. But this is my cycle. You can see. I have a very basics and desi cycle. I think it's one only in university. No one has this kind of cycle in our university. So please tell me how is my cycle. So let's move to the destination. So for going for the destination, I have signed in hostel security gate, and also I have to mention in main gate, then only I can move out of the university, otherwise it will be not possible to move out. This way helipad. So I just came from outside. So actually what happens that so actually first I have repaired my cycle. Oh, transformer blast. So first time I have repaired my cycle, then again after coming 1 kilometer, then again the cycle got damaged and the chain got broke. So then I again go to that repair shop by walk, and then he repaired the chain. And after that I just returning my university. So actually it's difficult to vlog in outside the university because some very much traffic is there in outside. So goodbye guys, see you in next vlogs. I have to get ready and go to the office now and for breakfast also. So see you in next vlog. Bye.